Good day, students. How are you? Assalamu alaikum. Hope the mathematic file is moving on with all the enthusiasm and perfection. Today, practical number 10, the division. Division is a part of proper multiplication or the fraction system. For this particular activity, we have huge number of games, practices, exercises, and most commonly before that in sensory activities we have done fraction activities, and fraction is a part of division. In multiplication, you need to know the sum of big number, but in division you have to divide a big number into the smallest one. A child is having 12 candies, and actually there are two children, means those two children have to share those 12 candies. The 12 candies are sharing in between two children, means you need to divide those 12 candies. This is a general and practical approach. In a Montessori system, we have few apparatus, tools or activities like in front of you, division board. For this particular activity, you need a division board, 81 green or any color beads in a same color, 9 green skittle, it could be green or any color but in a same color, division table to work, summary of division tables up to 81, mix some cards, and definitely this provides the simple and easiest concrete practice of division. Presentation. Directress introduced the child to the division board and selects a division table to work with. For the first question, 24 by 9. For the division, we use word by. Directress takes 9 skittles and says, these skittles requested 9 children. They are representing 9 children. And she places the skittles along the top of the board. Then directress asks the child to count 24 green beads. 24 green or any color beads she has. And ask him to divide the 24 beads to all these 9 stand skittles or children. At the end, the child will find that the count met divide the beads equally. After distributing first 2 beads each to a child, the remainder 6 beads could not be divided equally. Hence, he moved the remainder 6 bead down to the bottom of board and explained to the child that 24 divided by 9 is equal to, and it remains 6. The same particular activity, if she is repeating, this time 49 divided by 7. If the divider, a short number, is in odd form and the divisional one is in even form, you cannot divide that particular number. Equation is changed. 49 beads or the biscuits or the chocolates or the candies have to divide into 7 children. The 7 skittles or the 7 children, as she already told. 7 children are in front of her. Now start distributing in a same manner. One by one, all the 7 kids got their green candies. Now she counts how many and how much one child got. The answer is in front of you. 49 is being divided into 7 children, and each children get the answered equation. Thank you so much.